Welcome to MadeCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Kailash Chandran from India.
Okay. What kind of job are you looking for?
Driver.
Driver.
Yeah.
Do you have a valid UAE driving license?
Yeah.
When will your driving license expire?
2015.
2015.
Yeah.
What is your visa situation?
Driver.
Employment visa.
Employment visa.
When will your employment visa expire?
End of January.
End of January. And when can you start for a new job?
February 1st.
February 1st.
Yeah.
So in which cities and countries are you willing to work?
India. Indian family.
I know. In which cities and countries are you willing to work? Dubai, Abu Dhabi?
Dubai.
Only in Dubai?
Only in Dubai.
Okay. Tell me something about your present job.
Driver.
You're working as a driver?
Yeah.
For what family?
For family driver. Yeah.
You're working as a family driver?
Yeah, family
for
driver.
What family?
For a Indian family.
Indian family.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are your duties and responsibilities as a family driver for this Indian family? What do you usually do every day?
Every day drop off children, pick up children, going for activity.
Okay. So do you know the roads in Dubai?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Which areas of Dubai are you most familiar with?
Family in Jumeirah, Sheikh Zayed, Arabian Ranches,
Okay.
Karama, like
Good Dubai Karama. What is the speed limit on Sheikh Zayed Road?
100.
100. What do you do if kids are crying at the back of the car while you are
I
driving?
stop the car and then I check what can do.
Good. What do you do if your phone starts ringing while you are driving?
If I have answered, then I'll answer, otherwise.
Otherwise, you will not answer. Okay. How do you ensure that you pick up kids on time from school?
I pick up a 2:30 like every day.
So you have to be there early,
Yeah.
15 minutes early before the
half an
time.
hour. I will be there.
Okay. How do you maintain your car clean?
Every day.
You have to clean
Yeah,
your car.
every day.
Very good. Are you ready to perform housekeeping chores inside the house?
No.
Are you able to take care of the garden?
No.
Are you single or married?
I'm married.
Do you have children?
Yeah.
Where are they now?
In India.
And who's taking care of your children?
My wife.
Your wife.
Yeah.
How long do you plan staying in your new job?
4 years, last 4 years.
4 years. Are you in good health?
Yeah.
Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs,
No,
for instance?
sorry.
Why should you be hired? If I am the employer, I will ask you, why should I hire you?
Sorry, I don't understand.
If I am the employer, I will ask you now, why should I hire you as my driver? Why? What qualities do you have?
Driver.
Yes. Yes, I know you're a driver, but what qualities do you have? Are you hardworking? Are you
Yeah, I'm
honest?
hardworking.
You are hardworking.
Yeah, of course, and honest.
And honest.
Yeah.
What are your hobbies?
Driver.
Your hobbies. What do you do during your spare time?
I'll play cricket or blah blah like it.
You play cricket. You love playing cricket. Okay. Which time is suitable to call you?
Between 2 or 2:30.
Between
Every day.
2
Or
to
2:30.
2:30
Yeah.
every day.
Every day.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time, Kailash. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to MadeCV.com.
Bye.
Thank you so much.